Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the stainless steel watch band. This is for my brand new Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. Although I'm still waiting for my notification from Best Buy. So I need to check my email later on to see what is the update on my order for the watch. So this is the quick release stainless steel link bracelet watch band strap. I got this on the eBay for $12.99, and I have like $2.99 or $3 of the eBay bucks. So I applied to it. So I end up paying $9.99. So this one, it also comes with like a special tool. So I'm going to check out what is in here now. So let's go ahead and get this unbox started. It comes with one of the link remove tool. So here it goes. I'm not sure where is the tool. Hopefully it's under here somewhere. Sounds like it. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It says Samsung Gear S3. So this is compatible with the S3 Frontier or the classic one. They have different sizes available on their eBay store. So normally I just look at compare the same item and try to find the cheapest possible. So this is made in China, fashion watch band. So there's a hang tag right here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna chew up. Oh, I was like, did they try to cheat me or scam me? Where's the tool? So here is the tool. So it comes with, wow, it came with 3. On their eBay store, it shows only 2, but I got lucky, I guess. So let's go ahead and check out this watch band. It is pretty heavy, which is pretty good unless you guys don't like it, because this is like a very well built. Wow, it is pretty solid, guys. So And this is to button. This is push down to open it up. So it is bigger than my Tag Heuer's watch band, thicker, wider. So the reason I get this because I want to have a classic look. I don't want it to look cheap because it comes with like a rubberized watch band, which is supposed to be very flexible to your comfort to your skin. But when I want to go out, I want to wear something that looks prestige. They have a gold color and black color as well. You can also check on their eBay, just search for it. But I like this stainless steel because they don't tend to fade away or get scratched off easily. If I could try to get this thing open. Oh my God. So this is, what does it look like? Those are all the pins for you to push it out to adjust your links. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So they have 3 different the plastic protective, which is prevent from scratching during shipment, which is good, but it's gonna be hard for you guys to take it out when you guys receive it. All right, finally. It's a nice looking watch band, and then push this to open it up. Stainless steel. You guys a close look at the quality. Not sure what's going on with the camera. Let's see. So be sure there's an arrow is pointed that way. That means you got to push the pin out from here toward that way, okay? So I'll be making a video on how to adjust a link for this watch band later on. This is just an unboxing. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. And drop any comments on below. There's also there's a 18 millimeter, 20 millimeter, and then 22 millimeter. This is the biggest one out there because I got the 46 millimeter Samsung Gear watch. All right. Galaxy Watch. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.